Today the Brookhaven just updated. Okay, so we're gonna talk about that later, Mr. Evan, and the top video. Okay, first subscribe to the channel and while you wait for it, let's go. So I'm looking for my friend because yeah, he needed it. So the mall is back. Yeah, it's not Easter anymore, bro. Come on. So let's go to the houses. Oh my god, the neighbors' food is so full. So sorry if my voice is kinda low right now because I have low voice right now. Yes. If you have this house, you are good OG. So I cannot afford it. Sorry about that, guys. But if you have this house, okay, you're good. So yeah. So they release new props and new tools. Okay. So we're gonna talk that later on. So yeah. Okay, relaxing. Free candy? Nah. You know me, guys. I'm scared at free candy van in real life. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah. There's new. So we're gonna go to the mall. So first, they release new cola, which is Black Sea Cola. Okay, it's not working. Hello, it's not working. Come on. Gary, nah, water, nah. They release new chips also, which is taking me right now, I think. So I have no voice here in the video, so I am voice recording. Oh my god, why did I picture that? That's kinda bad. Okay. Well, anyways, let's go here. Okay, let's see the new props. First, we have the food. Okay, we have chocolate. We have heavenly chips. Another heavenly chips. Cola. Brooks Cola. Milk. What do you call this? I don't know. Fridge with the cola inside. Vending machines. Boom. So you can get here this second vending machine. Yeah. So let's grab the chocolate. It's so yummy. Next we have this. I can click there. So yeah. So that's hiding my inventory. Next we have this baby stroller. So if you haven't watched my video, watch it. Okay, watch it. We have phones. We have iPad or tablets. What do you call it? Standing phone. Another standing phone. Another standing phone. Standing tablet. Another standing tablet. MacBook. Controllers. Is this Xbox or no? Let me know in the comments. So let's go. So arcade machines. So this is a Voldex games. Yes, this is Voldex games. I don't know if Samurai is a Voldex or no. I don't know. So I'm not big fan of Voldex. So we have the Dungeon Quest, Driving Empire, Samurai, Base Battles, NFL. So let's remove the props and let's go to the next one. This one, we have new range, hammer, axe, and new fire extinguisher, plastic ball. Okay, look at these balls. So let's grab it. Oh, look at that. Oh, dribble. Yo, look at that. So let me read the chat. Okay. So let's get the skateboard. So new things they release. So let me remove that. We have phone. We're gonna grab it all. Yeah. Okay. They have new phone, which is not working right now. Oh, I thought it's new. Okay, next. Tablets. Tablet. MacBook. Stroller. X. That is new color now. Hammer. Wrench. I don't know. Basketball. And this new sign. Go Bobcats. So let me grab the foods. We have this one. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. Okay. So if let's me get my motorcycle. Never mind, cause I'm lazy. So I will end now, guys. So if you